laxative and throwing water on my brother Gray because he's downstairs right now. And the reason why my voice is so low because he's downstairs and I don't want to hear me. So comment but down low to know what his reaction will be. And can you please subscribe to this video and give me 5K likes. Thank you. I think his reaction gonna be bad, bro. You don't think that too?
Yeah. And he got trying to punch us.
And he not gonna punch me because I'm gonna give him that jerk. That's what's gonna make him go to sleep.
What did y'all do?
I'm sorry. Here, this is a drink. It's not fucking funny, you guys. Here. I made it just for you. It's special. What happened, Drake? What happened? Ew, what are you doing in there? You're stinking up the bathroom.
Damn, woman. Don't do that.
Oh, that's what they do in their real life.
Who's the guy's dick?
Smell like doodle stuck together.
Damn, woman.
I can slap the both of you. Okay, stop pausing.
I got you naked for the camera.
Small dick ass.
Slap the both of y'all. Look what y'all did. Jit. Don't ever talk to me again.
That pussy up in on lick. What a nigga drunk in my ear.
Come back, bro. Bro. Come back. Talk to me. You really mad, bro? Watch. I'm gonna get y'all back. Now get out of my room. So aggravating, man. Can't even have one day of sleeping in peace. Fuck. You still here? Get out. Don't you understand? I'll speak no English, man. I'm so fucking mad right now. Stop! Yo, stop playing with me. You think it's funny? Stop fucking playing with me, bro. He's so mad right now. Got me on the camera with a fucking underwear on. It's funny.